guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're unboxing DIMOO World's xPIXAR vinyl plush. There are 6 regular styles and 1 secret chase in this collection. Let's start with the first one. The secret chase figure is Buzz Lightyear. The bag looks really nice too, with Woody printed on it. And it's a new packaging with a sealing strip added. Oh, the first one is Woody. Its hands and feet are covered with plastic film for protection. Its hands and feet are movable. DIMOO's name is printed on the hat. All the little accessories on the outfit are perfectly recreated with amazing texture. The whole set of clothes can be taken on and off. This little neckerchief is absolutely gorgeous. Just look at the texture of this outfit. The belt is leather, and all the tiny details are exquisitely crafted. This little ring on the back is a wind-up key from Woody. DIMOO's signature cloud pattern is printed on the hat. This little facial expression looks just like Woody. The hat is super soft. Next one. Remy. Its little facial expression looks so blank and cute. What an adorable little mouse. Its tiny ears are so cute, fluffy and super soft to touch. It's wearing overalls, and the color matches Remy from the movie perfectly. It has a tail at the back. The shoes are crafted with great attention to detail. Next one. There is an extra layer of packaging bag inside. It's meant to lock in Lotso scent. Lotso, a strong strawberry fragrance hits you right away. It truly fulfills our childhood fantasies. Its little face looks so sad and round. Made with several types of plush fabric, super detailed. Its nose is flopped. The fur on its body feels incredibly smooth. Sulley. This part is flocked too. DIMOO is wearing a huge Sulley head costume. This fur feels so nice to touch. The headpiece is removable. There's a little pajama set underneath. The colors are perfectly recreated. The monster's little expressions are so vivid and lifelike. Just pull the loop here on the headpiece to take it off. Just like Sulley, beneath his monster exterior lies an incredibly gentle heart. It's absolutely adorable. Parr. It has a cute yet fierce little expression. Its hands and feet are made of hard material. Its body is soft. Its head is so fluffy and soft, it feels amazing to squeeze. The emblem on its chest perfectly recreates the design from the movie. The classic superhero suit is reproduced perfectly. The leather eye mask is full of exquisite details. The whole outfit is removable. You can change its clothes. Red Panda Mei. such a soft and cute little one. It has a grinning little face on its head. This one has the fluffiest and softest fur of all. It wears a red knit top printed with Mei Mei's panda logo and turning red. Its whole body is covered in fluffy fur. The red panda's tail is round and fluffy. That's all for today's unboxing. Follow me. See you next time. Bye bye.